Hello everyone, good morning. It's too late for a morning, it's 11:23 and anyway, so sorry for not posting for the last 3 days. I've been sick and when I felt a little bit better, my friends come to visit me from Italy, from friends in Dubai and yeah, actually said like I felt a little bit better and said like what about casino? When here we are, we're at a casino right now in the far northern Morocco, chilling and in Tanja. So that's it. So we found it like a special moment while everybody's sleeping. I'm the only one who's awake. Before to wake them up, why not to record a video for you. So the next video will be about the strategy. So I'm gonna take the opportunity and film this one about the psychology, the risk and everything you need. So why you lose trades, why the market punish you and everything. So let's get into the video. So a lot of people thinks and misunderstood about the market. A lot of people go and use a lot of strategies and stuff like, oh, this strategy doesn't work for me. I'm gonna change it. Price action, ICT, SMC, Elliott waves, Fibonacci, a lot of things. So what actually works is not a strategy. So whatever you feel is fine, it's fine. But actually, you need a better discipline. You're not actually, Mike. You call it? Uh, Sorry, that was Mike calling me like to go down. So we're gonna leave. So anyway, as I said, you need a better discipline. You must work your strategy more, backtest it more, and believe on it. Wait for it. Not enter earlier, not enter delay it, but actually wait for your entry, for your bar, for the exact thing, like the rules you follow to get with the strategy. You don't need a better strategy, you need a better discipline. I'm gonna try to make it kinda quick. So about the trader, when they lose like one loss, it's like okay fine, I'm gonna follow my plan. And then here it comes the revenge. Which the one time you gonna let your discipline go, the market gonna punish you down. Gonna punish you, gonna take your money. It's not you're not gonna say sorry for the market. You're gonna pay by dollars. So there's a kind of traders that they lose and it's like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna double the size. And this second one, I'm gonna take my money and boom, you blew the account. You're gone. Or your money, like full margin, you're gone. Your money is gone, and now you're and whatever your case is. So avoid this one. Avoid this one, please. So as I was saying, like a lot of traders doesn't lose because of strategy. They lose because they cannot control themselves. They overtrading, they revenge trading. As I was talking about, like overtrading. When you enter a trade, you win like let's say that you won a $50. Okay, nothing fancy. $50. You lost $1. You made another 78. Another 100. Okay, you set a goal. If you reach that goal in a day, you stop trading. Okay, set like a goal based on your capital, based on your founder, based on your consistency rule, based on everything. We're gonna talk about the consistency rule. We're gonna talk about the founder accounts before the strategy. We're gonna talk about everything you need, guys. So and the patience. When you're not patient about the strategy, a lot of traders think that they're gonna miss a trade. But imagine you're watching a market that repeat itself for years. You're watching there, and the strategy moves. You miss the trade, right? It's gonna repeat itself. Like just wait, just have some patience. Just wait, and have a plan. Because no plan is a plan to lose. Is a plan to lose money. When not having a plan is actually having a plan to lose, having a plan for failure. So I'm gonna talk about the two, like this is the only enemy that you should fear. Like the two emotions that control every trader. Hold on a second. I love this song. Oh my. I'm just like shuffling my old playlist to my old iPhone and just like this appears. Fucking love this song. It reminds me of the days that I was tripping in the mountains, especially in Turkey and Tunisia. Anyway, so fear and greed. I'm gonna go like deeply. I'm not gonna only say like lose early, risk too much or whatever. I'm gonna talk about like deeply in fear and greed. So when you're actually in a trade and then you feel like, oh, this is like a breakout pullback, and you feel like this is gonna be a reversal bar or something, and then you close the trade so early, and the price went back and move up again, and you take profit, but you already closed so early. And then when it comes to the greed, when you actually the prices are too close, like by 2 ticks or something, to hit your take profit, and you keep moving your take profit up or down, above or below, so the profit reversed and then hit your stop loss, right? So what to do in this case? Every strategy, like the easiest way, every strategy comes with an entry point, an exit point, right? So what are you gonna do is you're gonna stick with your strategy. Even if the market like in a momentum of, I don't know, like going through the atmosphere, like it's, if you follow you're gonna make millions, never go. Maybe the time you're gonna jump with the market, it's gonna reverse on you, boom, hit your stop loss, get you out, get you trapped, whatever. It's not your strategy. Okay? Get with your strategy, stick with it. If it hits your stop loss, know why. Maybe it's your fault, maybe it's just the market. Write it down, write your feelings, write something, go do cardio, do something. And don't revenge. Forget about it. Forget about the trade. Go do cardio. Then go back again. Check the paper. What I have wrote here. Am I sure of what am I writing? Like, okay, did I lose this one? Why? Did I was really feeling these feelings? Okay, let's see the trade again. Oh, okay, I didn't write this one. Boom, 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 and anyways, this is what you're gonna do. If you win, if you lose, it's okay. It's just like all of it, part of the process. Wish you all luck. So as I was saying, your strategy is a 90% win rate, 80%, whatever. It's your strategy. Stick to it. Your emotions are 100% lose rate. There's no doubt about it. So you will lose trades. That's normal. It's a part of the process. The goal is to control them. The goal is to control emotions. I'm gonna change the music. So when you risk small, you put some small risk. Let's say you risk it at 1%. Okay. So I'm using like a risk management, a good one. I risk 1%. Okay. If I lose it, and I'm below 1% in my account, what I do? Next I risk like of 0.5% of the account. Okay. This is on a founded account. If I get it back, I risk 1% again. If I won, I risk 2%. If I lose the 0.5, I keep trading with 0.5, okay? But never ever overtrade. So, as I was telling you, profitable traders don't win more. They lose better. So, whenever you get like and stick into a good strategy, working with a good discipline, you wait, you follow the plan, you accept losses, you do all things together, what are you gonna do? You're gonna get into a trade and you think, what am I comfortable to lose? Am I comfortable to lose a 20% below the account? If it's okay for you, go for it. If you really want to be a profitable trader, what are you gonna do? You're gonna like, okay, what, you know what? 1% risk, and it's good for me. I'm good. And you're gonna do it. Maybe you're gonna say like 1% per day. If you lose it, okay, it's done for you. I'm not trading today, unless if it's like an A+ setup or something, right? So now you understand the discipline and everything, and the risk management, I guess. So that was the episode. Trying to make it so quick. Everybody's in the car waiting for me. Oh, they took everything and just like sitting with the laptop, like please, another 5 minutes. Anyway, so next time I'm gonna talk about the founded accounts and stuff. If I forgot something, I'm gonna mention it too. So before the strategy. So when we get into the strategy, I'm gonna be posting like daily, every day that I trade. Like I'm gonna post videos documenting my trades, everything on YouTube, everything on Instagram and TikTok. And that's it. Follow the series from Lots of Disciplined and wish you all luck. See ya.